All right, good morning, everyone. Today there's a lot to watch. It is June 1st, 2021 at 9:02 in the morning, and this is my morning strategy session. First thing that I'm looking at is AMC. AMC might evolve from a situation where usually I'd wait for it to take profits, wait for people to take profits and look for a bounce at one of these two support levels. I don't know. It's possible it may never, it's possible anything could happen, but if the stock price, if it starts behaving in a momentum manner, then I'll probably cancel out shares, orders on the shares between these two levels and look for a momentum setup. Now, this thing has an outstanding of 450 million shares outstanding. I don't know what the float is, but it certainly can't be anywhere. It's certainly not anywhere near the 10 million shares that I like to see as a float on a momentum trade. But, I'll take what I can get. So if this thing starts to act in a similar fashion as a momentum trade, then I will take it. As of right now, I have levels at 28.86 and 28.34 for some profit taking, then support, and then move forward, move up. SBSW caught a bid after hours. I have support levels after some profit taking of 1957, 19.36, and 19.8. Then BILI. I've traded BI. In fact, I've traded SBSW a couple times before. I don't remember how I did on it. And I've traded BILI quite a bit during this run up back here, and I've made quite a bit of money in the thousands off of BILI. So it's kind of looking like it's recently made a new lower low after this run up. So I don't know what it's trying to do. I'm just going to take advantage of the daily action here. I have, and actually this chart is a little bit misleading. It says it's only traded 100 volumes pre-market, but according to the scanner, BILI is traded 106,000 shares. So it has volume. I'm looking for a little bit of profit taking. 110.38 and 109.79 is my range for averaging into a position trade. XPEV, this is a Chinese electric vehicle company. Obviously, it's caught a bid. It is, 405,000 shares have been traded pre-market. So I'm looking for a little bit of profit taking. Then $33.08 and then 32.90 is where I plan on averaging into a trade. And DVN energy here. So again, all I'm doing is I'm looking for some profit taking, a little bit of a lull in the price. My range is 27.34 to 27.10. And these are all large caps: AMC, SBSW, BILI, XPEV, and DVN are large caps. For the small caps, I have OEG, and I don't have any levels on it. I'm just watching it. I'll be watching it probably on the 1 minute actually for a momentum setup. Just the momentum rules apply. And then VTNR, this thing has continued to move. Actually, let's take a look at the daily here. So this thing popped up on the 27th of May, and I didn't trade it very well on the 27th. I think I came away with $14 profit on the 27th. Then on the 28th, I traded only a little bit better. I think it was 120 and some change maybe on VTNR. These levels, I got these levels from back here You can see this spike up between the 24th of March 2014 and December 10th 2014, and I'm just using these levels right here, these peaks on its way down for support. They should act as support on the way up. So it's a momentum trade though, so the support is kind of just a guide more than it is an entry. And then I put GOED up here. I didn't list it on the video title, but I put GOED up here because this happened. Now, actually, let me go to the we'll go to the 10-minute here. So GOED spiked up pre-market on the 27th, and then it opened and dumped. And you can see here the 930 to 940 candle. There was this is the 10-minute. Let's go to the 1 minute. We can get a better look, better handle on this thing. The exchange shut this thing down big time. That's the 28th. Let's go to the, here's the 27th. The exchange, for whatever reason, shut this thing down big time. Now, I have levels on this from way back. I don't know. I don't remember ever having traded it before. And these levels go back. I'll have to look and see how far back they go. So anyway, let's see, 930 to 935. This is the 1 minute. This is the 1 minute chart, and so you can see here it skipped from 930. And the next bar ought to be at 931, but it's at 935. And then it went into another halt here. And then it opened up 10 minutes later on this halt after dropping from $16 down to $11. And then this thing stayed shut down for, let's see, it opened 946. And then, okay, so after this candle right here, it opened up at 946. And it just started to sell off. I imagine something happened, and the exchanges shut it down for 2.5 hours. Then it opened up quite a bit lower at 791. I don't know what's going on with this stock. I don't know why it's behaving this way. I'm just kind of putting it up here as a warning. So if this thing starts at the scanner, or there's a bunch of activity on it or something, just buyer beware. It's down at if it opened up right now, it'd be at $1.92. So yeah, that's the morning strategy session. I've got a lot of large caps to choose from today, a couple of small caps to keep an eye on, look for a momentum setup. Let's see the broader market here. The SPY is up. If it opened up right now, it would open up at 42.08, which is really close. All-time high here is 422.74. 422.82 is the all-time high. So we're opening up. If it opened up right now, it would open up about 80 cents below the all-time high. The VIX is definitely beneath the bottom of the gap here. So I'm looking for continued weakness and a test of this 1504 roughly level on the VIX. So I think we're about to begin another leg higher on the S&P, but you never know. We'll see, right? But I will be looking for opportunities to get into calls on the SPY. Outside of that, energy is doing well today. Let's take a look at crypto real quick. Let's see what crypto is up to. Crypto is the ultimate risk on. It's just pushing the monetary policy, and the fiscal policy is just pushing everyone out to the ends of the risk curve, and crypto is just right out there on the end of the risk curve. So it looks like Bitcoin is consolidating down here right now, or in this kind of range down here. Now, typically after a move down and then some consolidation, after it consolidates for about the same amount of period that it went down, I'd expect another leg down. That doesn't always come true, but that's the high probability scenario. So to see it bottom out right here and move up, to see it kind of recover, move up again, kind of move sideways and up. Let's get rid of those. Those are crappy lines. Yeah, I mean, so back here, there was this sort of range consolidation, and then it moved up. It was coming into that area, consolidated, moved up. So this is kind of a big point, I don't want to say in history, but what it does right here, if it can for some reason find support and continue moving higher, or just kind of come down and make a cup and move higher, that'll be really, really good for crypto, for Bitcoin, and crypto in general. I mean, what's good for Bitcoin is pretty good for crypto in general. So I don't trade or invest in crypto. However, if institutions are looking at Bitcoin and they see it here at a 50% discount, I think there's going to be some buying. I think there are going to be some people who are going to say, pardon me, there are going to be people who are like, hey, I'm getting a 50% discount on this for its next leg higher, whenever that occurs. If it's between now and 5 years, then whatever, But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Definitely, right now, it's definitely looking like a bear flag. Got this bear flag thing going on, and after it resolves itself, it'll resolve itself to the downside. That's the way it looks. Now, I don't know. I don't really know enough about the crypto market. I just know what the chart is saying. All right, everybody, that is going to be my morning strategy session. Good luck out there today. Keep your risk tight. Click like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will see you at the recap. I am out.